Hello, my name is Lloyd. I look after Console Connect application support, and my job is to help our users with anything related to our platform. Today I will be showcasing how to connect to AWS Cloud with Console Connect, taking advantage of a better, more secure and smarter way to get to your cloud instance. From the dashboard, go to the menu, then go to Connections and click on Add New. Make sure Clouds on Everything as a Service is selected, then click on Amazon Web Services. Over here, select your port. Click on Pay As You Go and click on Next. Over here, you fill in the details of your AWS connection. You get your account ID from the AWS portal. In AWS, on the top right, you can get your account ID here. Then we head back to console and paste in your account ID. Then you can select your AWS region. Select your rate limit. You can choose your class of service if it's available. By default, your VLAN IDs are auto-assigned. Then you can choose your duration and if you want to continue the service after the contract expires. Finally, click on Next. Next, you need to select your payment method and agree to the terms and conditions. And finally, click on Connect. Console Connect will begin to provision the Layer 2 service over our global Layer 2 network and integrate to AWS with API to deliver the Direct Connect to the AWS user account. This will take a few minutes to complete. You will see the status is pending acceptance. This means you need to go back to AWS portal and accept the Direct Connect. In AWS, go to Direct Connect. By default, connections will be selected. Over here you will see your Direct Connect. Select it over here. Then click on Accept and Confirm. This will take a few minutes to complete. After a few minutes, AWS will reflect the available state. Then head back to Console Connect and refresh your page. You will now see the AWS connection is active, and you can see the source VLAN ID that you need to configure on your device to use this connection. And you can see the duration details that also indicate the start billing date. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please reach out to us on support@consoleconnect.com. I would be more than happy to help you further.